Today we start is the chapter number 4, more on word processor. Okay, chapter number 4 is more on word processor. The previous chapter we are discussing with some formatting and editing tools like format painter, subscript, superscript, header and footer, and indent of the text and margin. But this chapter also same type word processor with some other additional features you can use. Okay, then first features of additional features of MS Word is page orientation. Page orientation means how to change the page format as a landscape or portrait are known as page orientation. First we are discussing what is page orientation. Page orientation is the direction in which a document is displayed or printed. Which type of format can display or printed are known as page orientation. Okay, page orientation is the direction in which the document is displayed or printed. Then the two types of then second is the two most common type of orientation. One is the portrait and landscape. Portrait orientation and landscape orientation. What do you mean by portrait orientation? Portrait orientation means in this orientation the page height is more than the page width. The page height is more than the page width are called portrait orientation. Same type what is a landscape orientation. In this orientation the page height is less than the page width. The page height is less than the page width are called landscape orientation. The page height is more than is the page width is portrait, then the page height is less than the page width are called landscape. Same type difference between portrait orientation and landscape orientation. The orientation is page height is more than the page width are called portrait orientation. Then the page height is less than the page width are called landscape orientation. This is the length format orientation. This is the width format orientation. This is the difference between portrait orientation and landscape orientation. Okay, this is a portrait. Portrait means length. Length format orientation is portrait and width format orientation is landscape. If landscape use means automatically change with width format. If portrait means automatically height format. This is a difference between portrait and landscape orientation. Portrait means only height format. Page height is more, then width is less. But landscape means the height is less but width is more. This is a different type of portrait orientation. This is a orientation of landscape. The next, how to use, if necessary, how to change the orientation of the document. Then first is click on the page layout, then select orientation option in the page setup group. Then is the drop down wheel appears, you select the landscape, either you select with the portrait. By default is portrait orientation. Then if you select landscape means to change the page orientation. Okay, then orientation will get changed according to the choose option. If you select landscape means landscape format, this type of change. If you select portrait means this type of can change. Okay, first is you click on page layout, then you select appear with the page layout some options, then select with the orientation. If you select orientation means appear with the two option, one is the portrait option, second is landscape option. If portrait means change with the format is height with width less, then if you select landscape means height less width more. This type you can change with the page orientation. Page orientation means if width wise print, then you select landscape. If you print with height wise, then use portrait orientation. Okay, these are two types of orientation format in the paper format. Same type you can also change with the paper size. Paper size, different type of size of the paper also, A4, A3, A5, A8, then with legal format, okay, letter formats, legal formats, letter format, different types of. But as the default size is A4 size. A4 size is a general printed format size. But how to you can change the paper size as per the format. If you change the paper size, the page size, you follow the steps. First go to the or click on the page layout tab, then you click on size. Size means appear with different size of the papers. Then click on the available option, apply on the selected paper size, either page size. Then you select the custom page size, choose from the more paper size also other type display. Either you select A4, either A3, either legal, either with a letter format, you can select, then with that type of can change. Then if more type also select, then a dialog box will appear and desired change and click on OK. Then desired type also you can select, then click on OK, means automatically change the paper size or page size to the format. This type of steps with you can also change the paper size or page size. The next is find and replace. Find means what? To search. Replace means what? To change others. Find means to search a word or search a text. Replace means find what to change other are called replace. Then how to you practice with a find and replace. Maybe MS Word 2013, either 7, either 10, you can use same process. Then how do you necessary if you find and how do you replace. First is go to, okay, find means which is allows to searching and replacing any word or text in the document. By using this feature, change can easily be made in very large document. We can search for and replace items such as text, image, captions, bookmarks, or certain type of formatting such as paragraph or page break. This type of also you can change, replace with one format to another format. Then how to you can find a particular word. Then the find command is used to find a particular text or word. You can find a particular word or text in the document. Then if you need find a particular word or text, then which type of steps you can apply. First is click on home tab. Home tab with a click on find in the editing group. Here is at last with the display the editing group. Editing with the content with the find, replace and select. You select first, you click on find, then its navigation box or display, then appear with a box find what, okay, find what, then you type the find what, then click on find next button. Click on find next button means automatically can move the text one location to another location. Suppose here is a type with a good, then you can find a next. Find next means automatically where is located, automatically move the cursor to that location. This type you can steps with you can find. First step is click on home tab, then click on editing, then click select find, then type the find word, click on find next. Next is if you find, then if necessary then replace. Replace means how to change. This command is used to replace particular word or text with a new word or text in the document. Suppose if you type with suppose January, to change with February, or if you find good, then with change bad. If you find bad, if you change with good. One type to another type change are known as replace. Then to replace the text in document, first you same type, you click on home tab, then is click on the find and replace in the edit group. Then first is the find word, then is replace with a second word, then click on replace, either click on replace all. Replace means one change, replace means replace all means all at once change. Okay, this type you can also change with the one type of word to another type of another word. Here you choose type of given in the book. First is find with the country, then change with a nation, means the country word change with a nation. Okay, this type you can also replace the text. First find word, then type the replace word, then you can use replace, either you can use replace all, means automatically change with one type to another type. Okay, then click on yes button, means automatically change with all replace at once. Then shortcut key of find is Control F. Then same type replace of shortcut is Control H. Control F means first find box with you can find out, then replace means you can use Control H. Then this type you can first find word, then replace, this use with the shortcut key. You can use also shortcut Control H. Now discussion again drawing tool. Drawing tool means the shape tools are known as drawing tools. Different type of drawing tools means the shape tools. Okay, then Word 2013 contains the various drawing tools to format the document using the shapes tool. Okay, the user can insert pictures or as the different requirement of the symbols. Different type of symbols you can use, either with the different types of shapes you can use, that is the working with the shapes. Then various shapes can be inserted in the Word document, like with the rectangle, circle, then with the parallelogram, different type of shapes. Here is the different shapes, like the line, then with the rectangles, either with the flow lines, different type of shapes here can insert. Then how to insert a shape? Suppose if you insert a rectangle shape, either with the oval shape, then how do you insert? First is click on insert tab. First you click on insert tab, then select shape tools. Shape tools with the different tools format. You select the desired tools, then click and drag on the mouse pointer will be changed is a plus sign. Plus sign means active sign. Then go to the document and click and drag anywhere in the Word document. You draw the shape. If here is this oval shape, then you can drag, and this type also picture you can prepare. Then same type placing of the shapes. Then with you can same type click on shape, then add text. Suppose if you text with you can type the text. Suppose here you type any content, then same type you can add a text. Right click on the shape, then from the context menu, then add text. Suppose here you type a rectangle, either any text you can add with the add text. Okay, here is this type be happy. This type of text you can also write with the right click, then select add text. Then how to apply border and shading. Border are the lines that appears around the document object, such as the entire page, text, table, graph object and pictures. You can anywhere you can also add the border. Means suppose a text with add border, then with a table with the add border, Then with the page with the add border, you can adding the different borders. Then border and setting is always used to decorate the text and make a plain document seem to highlighted and well organized. The document can be made the attractive and more beautiful by applying the border and setting. For more attractive you can document, then you can use border and setting. Then how to can use? Click on home tab, same tab paragraph with you select okay, all borders is the left border is the right border, different type of display. Then you select the any border name, select the border will be applied to the text. Okay, then is the how to apply with the border on the entire page. Suppose full page with you can insert a border. First is select the design tab, select the design tab. This is the with 2013, but if it's 2007 with you can practical. First select page layout with the border, but 13 with the design with you select page border. Okay, then it's a page border, then page border with the display this type of format. You can select only style with the only line style, either you select a different design style, then is the art style with you select a different type of format. Then with the click on OK, automatically display with the page border. To add a setting, click on the same type settings. Then is the select the color from the fill box. Here is the colors. Then which type of setting with you can fill, select the colors. Then select the style of headings in the style box. Then click on OK. Then enter page with you can expand the settings. You can apply with a border and apply with a setting. Apply border means you select art style, either general style, either you can border, and setting means setting here is the border means only text border. Page border means full page border. Setting means only apply with the colors. Any color you select, then with the send with the document. This type of colors are displayed with the pages. This type of is the border, this type is the setting. Border and setting. This is the border, this is the setting. Whole document, either you can select only this section only first page only, either this section all aspect of first page. Means all first page aspect of the first page with the display. Then is the applies the background color. Same type you can adding of a shading, either you can apply with the background color, page color are known as. Then to make the document sheet more variety, the colorful and the add color, it is the background. Then click on design tab, either click on page layout, select page color with the 2007 version, either 13 version, either 16 version, you select design, then page color in the page background group. Background group with you select color, but 7 with the 2007 version, either 2010 with you select page layout, then with the select page color. The color plans will be appear and choose the colors, then click on apply, means automatically change the page color. Okay, then same type page orientation, the direction in which the document is displayed or orientation. Then border, the lines that appear around the document object such as the entire page, text or table are called a border. Okay, then these steps you practice and by that answer.